Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable identity protection with LifeLock, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable identity protection with LifeLock, start by visiting the official LifeLock website. Click on the sign in option located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you are a new user, select Get Started to create an account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password that meets the site's requirements for security. Read the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms, then click Create Account. Once your account is created, after logging in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the section for Identity Protection Services. Select the identity protection plan that best suits your needs. Review the features and benefits of your chosen plan. Click on the Enroll or Activate button to proceed. You may be asked to provide additional personal information for verification. Fill in the required fields accurately. Submit your information to complete the registration process. LifeLock will now start monitoring your identity. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your enrollment. To set up alerts, navigate to the alert settings in your dashboard. Customize your preferences for how you wish to receive notifications. Review the privacy settings to ensure your personal information is secure. Explore additional tools and resources provided by LifeLock. Finally, keep your account information updated to maintain comprehensive protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.